Are you experiencing frizzy hair, roughness, and maybe hair fall during the rainy season? Now, many people actually blame the rainwater for all the hair related problems. So, let me break that myth completely. Rainwater is actually very soft. So, only when it is traveling all the way down to the ground, it kind of accumulates all the air pollutants, the minerals in the air, the smoke particles, the pollutants, and that is what affects your hair when it reaches you. So let's start with the truth. Rainwater itself does not damage your hair. Rainwater is actually very soft, as I mentioned earlier. So by the time it has traveled right up to the ground, it has collected everything which is there in the environment, from the pollutants to the smoke to the dust to everything which is there, and that is what which when lands on your hair can cause all the problems. So it's always a combination of pollutants, of dust, of smoke particles in the environment which contribute to the hair loss and hair fall during rainy season, not the rainwater per se. So why does hair fall during the rainy season? Now, during the rainy season or during the monsoon season, there's moisture and humidity in the air which gets absorbed by your hair shaft, which leads to a little bit of swelling in your hair follicle or your hair shaft. This may lead to that frizziness or the lack of smoothness in your hair. Now, and during this season, your scalp may also become very oily and sticky because the sebum and the sweat combines with the moisture in the air. That again leads to the lack of luster, lack of shine in your hair. Also, there's a tendency for scalp related issues to flare up. There could be redness, there could be itchiness, there could be an advent of fungal infections. This is the season to watch out for. In many cases, or in most cases, the rainfall per se is not leading to any hair fall. There could be an underlying disorder which is causing the hair fall during this season. So how can you protect yourself during the rainy season? If you have been out in the rain, when you come back home, rinse your hair with fresh water immediately. Don't let the rainwater sitting on your scalp. If you experience itchiness or dryness in your scalp during this season, you may use a mild shampoo. A sulfate-free mild shampoo is ideal in this rainy season. If there is a flare-up of dandruff in this season and you think the rainwater is to be blamed, unfortunately that is not the case. To continue using a medicated shampoo as advised by your doctor. So next time it's raining and you think you're going to get wet in the rain, do not panic. Rainwater is not damaging your hair at all. It could be the pollution, it could be your scalp related issues that needs to be looked into. Rainy season, enjoy the rain, enjoy your chai, enjoy your pakoda, forget everything. It is not harming you at all. Live your life, keep your life simple. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.